Right. Let's see. All right, welcome back to NovaFlow. Today we're going over part one of coding a trading bot. We're just gonna go over the basics. It's gonna be a lengthy video, I think, but if you're interested in coding your trading bot, then just follow along. So pretty much what I got here, all that I have set up in the code is just being able to check the SOL price. Um, so there we go. There's the SOL price right there, 127 bucks. Now I'm gonna show you exactly what I did. The first thing you're gonna want to do is head over to Birdeye. Let's see. You're gonna want to come over to Birdeye right here. Birdeye. All right. You'll come over to this tab over here, Resources, Birdeye Data Services. Click right there. Click Get Started for free. You'll click Free, and then once you get here, you'll go ahead and go to your security. Uh, so this is where you'll find your API key, and this is crucial for pulling the market data. You'll generate a key, name it. Well, I already showed mine, so I guess it doesn't matter. But yeah, your API key will go right here. Now don't ever release that to the public. I'm gonna have to change that. So this is my key right here. Copy and paste that, and you would paste it under the API key right here. Now, Birdeye requires you to call by x-api-key. To figure out exactly what you're looking for, you'll come back to this Birdeye, come to documentation, and then it'll show you all the code that, all the endpoints to input. So basically, you'll use this right here, and let's see. You'll basically use this reference page to put all your code in, but y'all can figure that out. We'll go ahead and get started with the code. And we're going to just break down exactly what's happening. Again, we have our API key right here, our token address. This is just Sol, it's Solana. And then here's the URL that we went over in the documentation. This right here, the headers, it's just calling the X API key. The API key is just giving it a name. So this is just code to get the current price of SOL. Again, when you click run, there it is right there. So we'll move on to the next step. We're gonna go ahead and all right. So when you start coding your trading bot, you gotta define exactly what you want it to trade. So you got whale tracking bots, breakout bots. You got like RSI, MACD strategy. Basically any kind of strategy that you'd use in the market, you can tell you're about to do. So today we're just going to be coding a basic breakout bot, and you can follow along and copy my bot if you want to. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to have to pull the OHLC data, which is from Birdeye. We'll use their API to pull data from candles. So let's see. All right, so this will get the price data. It'll keep it as a JSON data. Um, Again, we're just gonna use Solana just for, a tester right now. All right, let's go ahead and run it. All right, so again, it shows Solana price. It'll say no breakout, stay patient. Follow along if you want to make your own trading bot. Again, the reason that we're doing this is that we can remove all emotion from the market, and we can just rely on a system that keeps working over and over to make money. Now, the biggest downfall for all traders is emotion. Um, I think everyone who watched this video has probably been there when, they double down something when they feel like it's just gonna go up based off something, but they end up losing even more. Again, we're making a system that is completely bulletproof. We want to make a system that works for us over time. We don't even have to look at it. So that's our end goal right here is again, we just want a system that is making us money over time, even if it's 5% a day. That's a lot of money. That's a lot of money. If you have $1,000, you know that's $50 every day, and you can keep adding that. You know, if your bot is making 5% a day on $1,000, you're making $250 just running some code. So this is the beginning. This is part one of coding a trading bot. I've been trading for 5 years. Crypto stocks, options, futures, every single corner of the market. I've seen it all. I've made a lot of money. I've lost a lot of money. And you know, right now I'm trying to out trade the algorithm. I'm done trying to out trade the institutions because I'm building my own. I'm building my own system. Uh, this series is going to be called Coding a Trading Bot. This will be part one. And this isn't some copy and paste script from GitHub. This is me learning, building, testing everything from scratch in real time. We're starting with the core logic, breakout detection on Solana. Eventually, this bot will trade smarter, faster, and colder than any emotional human could. So if you wanted to build your own sniper bot, or you're tired of gambling and want precision, lock in. This is the video for you. Alright, so when you first trying to make your own trading bot, you gotta define the logic. You know, you gotta define again. There's whale tracking bots, breakout bots. There's momentum bots, there's sniper bots, there's literally any kind of bot you can think of. So find something that works for you. For right now, I'm trying to go for a breakout bot. What that means is it's going to look at candlesticks, it's going to look at the market volume, it's going to look at the structure, and then depending on that, it'll enter a trade. Let's take it over to the chart here for a second. So we're looking at Solana price. Now, look, our bot can identify some zones just like this, just a basic, support zone. Maybe we have our bot. Once it gets down to this zone, it'll see this bounce zone and then look for a trade. If it sees a reversal, we'll go ahead and enter, look for a 1.5 risk to reward ratio. And, you know, again, the coding part of the bot isn't hard. The hardest part is finding your strategy, finding what works. Now, look, you can win, you can make money off the market with an extremely low win rate. All you have to do is just, uh, you know, win consistent profits. If your bot has a 60% win rate, that's huge. That means you're making money over the time. Now, ideally, we want our bot to win, 70, 80% of the time. 100% just isn't going to ever work. So that's where it comes in, where we need to start back testing. We got to get this data running and let it simulate for a while. All right, so we went ahead and started to code some more of the live breakout detection. Here's my code right here. I forgot to, we gotta import time. Let's see if we run. All right, now we're running. The hardest part is finding a strategy that works. And again, the market is not always the same. There's bear market, bull market. Sometimes the market moves sideways. So it's kind of tough. You can code multiple bots for these different market trends. Again, you can still win on down days, you can still win on up days, you can still win on sideways days. So again, you got to really open your mind and figure out what works for you. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video. That's day one of coding a sniper bot. If you want to learn more on how to do this, again, this is the edge in the market. This is how you win. Go ahead, subscribe, like, follow, comment, and follow along for more. I'm going to be trying to post, maybe 2, 3 videos a week on this. We'll keep this bot running, and again, I may in the future make a like paid Discord, Telegram, so then y'all can actually have this code that I built. Um, and if y'all don't want to code it, just go ahead and follow along. Wait until I make something where you can join a Telegram, join a Discord. All right. That's it for part one. We got live data price pooling. We simulated our first candles and we built a system that can detect real-time breakouts. It's not perfect yet, but again, this is day one. We spent 30 minutes on this and it's already looking nice. This isn't some plug and play stuff. I'm building this from scratch. Every piece that I drop, you're gonna see it get sharper. If you felt like this was helpful, hit that like, subscribe, or don't. I'm doing this either way. Next episode or next video, we're gonna go ahead and add some full trade logic, entries, stop losses, profit targets, uh, maybe even back testing. Until then, stay locked in. Your edge isn't bought, it's built. Hey, and look, we just got updated. New candle. All right. See you on the next one.